Hi, this is a video on my series on working with aggregates, aggregated data that we get from published statistics. So I'm just going to show you here a very brief example of how we compute a percentage when we have a table like this. Here we have a population over 50 years in 1880 in Copenhagen, and you see that we have men and their marital status, and then we have women and their marital status. So we have here the totals, and the aim of the exercise is just knowing which is the percentage of men on women in a given marital status. So this just uses the a small function and then our friend the dollar sign. So what we do is just make a small function, just we say equal, and then we say, okay, we want to know the percentage of single men, then we divide by the total of men. Okay, we get this 0.12, which is not what we want to look. We want to be expressed in percentages, so we just multiply by 100, and then, okay, 12% of men over 50 years in 1880 were still single, so they had never been married. Remember that if that Excel drags things to the right, but if we do that, what happens is that it just moves the two cells to the right. So what we need to do is to fix this cell. We need always to be using that cell. So what we do is just we fix the column. So it is column G. So when we go to our formula, we go here and we say, okay, we just fix column G. We put a dollar sign before, and then we accept that there's no changes. But look what happens when we go. Perfect. So in this case, we fix only the column, but we could also have fixed the row. But we haven't done it for a reason. Why? Because I can use it now. So if I had fixed the number 8 too, if I do that, then we would still have this as a reference. But see what's happened. So it's moved. So now it just becomes. So that you have a sense of what would have happened if we had fixed both column and row. Just let's a small exercise. Let's just fix the row and then just operate it again. See, 27. But what does the 27 mean? We are dividing women by men. And if we just try to spread it out, then we get nonsensical results. Okay, so sometimes it is useful to fix one, sometimes it is useful to fix the two of them. You have to decide what it is that you want to do. In this case, we go back to the same thing. We have the percentage of single, married, separated, widows, and then people for whom we don't know the marital status. And that was it.